Hey everyone, my name's Jay Mauder, and today I'm going to be upgrading my clamp rack from a single 2x4 to the Woodpeckers clamp racket system. Alright, well first things first, I need to get all these clamps and this 2x4 off the wall so we can get started. To begin, I'm marking out how high I'd like the backer plate to be. I settled on 76 inches from the ground. Now that my height is established, I can draw a level line to get a general idea of where this is going to go. Next, just drill a pilot hole and then drive your lag bolt in, but make sure to leave a 1/4 inch of the threads exposed. Then slot the backer plate on the threads and get it roughly level. Then secure the lag bolt. Now your hand is freed up and you can more accurately level the backer plate while securing the second lag bolt. Okay, so once you got the top 2 lag bolts put in, you just want to put the bottom 2 lag bolts in, and then you can put an extra 2 in the center. One thing I really like about the 32-inch model is it has these extra holes so that if your studs are a little bit off layout, you have plenty of options so that you are definitely sure to hit a stud. Okay, so one of my favorite features of the clamp racket system is its ability to grow with you. So if I get more clamps one day, I can easily expand this system very easily by purchasing an add-on 16-inch backer plate, 24-inch backer plate, however much room you have. All you have to do, so I have a 16-inch backer plate right here. All you have to do to add a system on, loosen that up, bring it in there, snug it up. Now add additional lag bolts over here, and you've expanded your system 16 inches without removing anything, taking the time to build things. It's great. I love it. Alright, so now that I got my backer plate installed, it's time to focus on the arms. So I like to work from one side or the other. I'm starting on the left. And the first thing I'm going to do is install these thread forming screws in the top and bottom hole. Make sure to leave an 1/8 inch of a gap. Now that those are installed, go ahead and identify your left and right bracket. You're going to want that angle to be facing out and down, and make sure that little opening, that slot, is on the bottom. So just put that slot right over your bottom screw and line up that circle there. Now you can snug them in. So once you have your left arm installed, you got to go ahead and install your right arm. But before that, you need to know how far apart your right arm needs to be from your left. So grab your clamp of choice and hang it up on your left arm. And then to make this simple, count over the amount of dots that your bar takes up. In this case, my bar takes up 3 dots. So I'm going to install this 3 dots over. Now these large arms right here, they work really well for parallel clamps or bar clamps. But next, I'm going to install a set of small arms right next to it. And those are really good for F-style clamps or trigger clamps. Alright, so as you can see, the clamp racket system can handle pretty much any style of clamp. Parallel clamps, F clamps, bar clamps, or trigger clamps. It is completely customizable, and this is why I love this system. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these arms installed. I wanted to point out here that installing a set of small arms next to the bigger ones helps to better utilize the space of the clamp racket system. Because now, the smaller clamps can nest inside the bigger ones, which leaves you more space to hang even more clamps. And if you're interested in getting this system in your shop, it is widely customizable. You can order a kit, or you can order just a backer plate and a couple arms, whatever you need to get the job done. Me in particularly, I went with the 32-inch set. This included 3 large arms and 2 small arms. I added an additional large arm and small arm to my setup as well. And a nice little bonus feature of this system is a 3-inch shelf on top. I really like to use it to store my parallel clamp extenders. Alright guys, well my clamp storage has went from a dingy 2x4 to strong 13 gauge steel with the clamp bracket system. I'm absolutely amazed that I could fit 43 Bessie clamps in such a small space. If you guys are interested in your very own clamp bracket system, just check out the link below. It'll take you directly to the website where you can purchase. Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video on the clamp bracket system. If you learned something, please go ahead and hit that like button below. That's the thumbs up button. That lets us know that you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss one of our great videos. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.